Have you ever thought about starting your own blog? Do visions of sharing your thoughts and experiences with a global audience excite you? Well, you're in the right place to learn how to make that dream a reality. First and foremost, decide what your blog will be about. Whether it's travel, fashion, food, or technology, your blog should revolve around a topic you're passionate about. This passion will fuel your creativity and enhance your blog's authenticity. Next, choose the perfect name for your blog. It should be catchy, easy to remember, and reflect the essence of your blog's content. Remember, your blog's name is the first thing people will see, so make it count. Once you've decided on a name, it's time to register your blog online. Platforms like WordPress and Blogger offer easy-to-use services for beginners. They provide templates and design options to help you create a visually appealing blog. Now you're ready to start creating content. Make sure your posts are engaging, informative, and written in a conversational tone. Use visuals like pictures and infographics to enhance your content and make it more appealing. Don't forget to promote your blog, share your posts on social media platforms, and engage with your audience through comments and messages. Networking with other bloggers can also help increase your blog's visibility. Starting a blog might seem daunting at first, but with passion, creativity, and a little bit of technical know-how, you can create a platform that allows you to share your thoughts and experiences with the world. So, what are you waiting for? Your blogging journey starts now.